Good day, everyone. My name is Abidemi Onedo. I am a clinical pharmacist and a member of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Lagos Province 40. I'll be discussing the topic appropriate use of medicines. Medicines are used with the intention to prevent, to improve or cure diseases. This is if they are used appropriately. If medicines are not used appropriately, they are rendered ineffective or they may cause harm to the users. I'll be discussing with you some of the tips to effectively and correctly use your medicines in this video. The most important tip is for you not to engage in irresponsible self-medication. When you are being given instruction to the use of your medicine by your pharmacist, make sure you pay maximum attention. Then we encourage you to keep a list of your medicines that you take, be it medicine that you got the prescription from your physician or the over-the-counter medicines that you have bought from the pharmacy, like the painkillers, the multivitamins, or even nutritional supplements. Anytime you get this new prescription, it is important that you inform your pharmacist about the new prescription. The pharmacist, on the other hand, would advise you on the proper way to use the medicines so that you can have full benefits from them. It will also assist you to come up with an appropriate and convenient schedule to use the medicine. This it does taking into consideration your lifestyle and your occupation. Some medicines, when they are taken together, may lead to what we call medicine-medicine interaction, medicine-food interaction, or medicine-disease interaction. These medicines, if we allow some of these interactions to go, it may happen that the medicines may be rendered ineffective or they may even cause toxicity to the person using it. Some medicines are to be taken at a particular time of the day. So if you have been told to take your medicine at a particular time of the day, it's better that you comply, because if you do otherwise, the medicines may not do what it's intended to do. If a medicine is to be taken 3 times a day, what it simply means is that the use of the medicine should be spaced like 8 hours intervals. For a medicine that is to be taken once a day, what this is telling us is that we should take this medicine every 24 hours. For instance, if you have chosen to take it in the morning, you stick to that morning time, about the same time every morning. If you've chosen to take it in the night, you stick to the night time, about the same time. If we do not follow this dosing time, we may run into problems. Some of these medicines may get accumulated in the system and may lead to exaggerated effects of this medicine or may lead to toxicity. Medicines generally are meant to be taken with water unless you are told to do otherwise. Medicines are to be taken with meals or after meals. If medicines are to be taken with meals or after meals, what this means is that meals may actually reduce some of the side effects that one may experience from the medicine, or it may even help to increase the efficacy of the medicine. If a medicine is labeled to be taken before meals, what it means is that the medicine should be taken 30 minutes before meals. But if in case you have eaten, you wait until 2 hours after the food. By that time, it is assumed that the stomach would have emptied its contents and it will not reduce the absorption of these medicines. If peradventure you miss a dose of your medicine, take it immediately when you remember. But in case you remember when it is about time to take the next dose, do not double the dose. Doing that will simply means you are taking an overdosage, which may be harmful. Most times we do not advise that you crush, you chew, or you break your tablets unless you have been told to do so. Don't open the contents of a capsule before using. If you do that, you may render this medicine ineffective. The storage of your medicine is actually very, very important for the medicine to continue to maintain its integrity and potency. You should store away your medicine away from heat, away from direct sunlight or even moisture, because doing so, you may destroy the content of this medicine even before they reach expiration. You should store away your medicine away from your children, because they may actually ingest this medicine and it may lead to death, which we do not want. The tips that I have been discussing with you is actually not exhaustive. If you are in doubt about the correct use of your medicine, please talk to your pharmacist. Thank you for your time.